Hey, hey, Saturday night steak, jalapeno poppers, and a couple slices of bacon that I had wrapped around the steak. Gotta get my knife. First, let's put some maldon smoked sea salt on that bad boy. I love maldon smoked sea salt. Put that stuff on about everything. Jalapeno poppers, 2 slices of bacon, and 2 beef tenderloin fillets. Yeah, probably not gonna eat it all. Let's have a little steak opening action here. Right down the middle. Oh yeah. Nice rare to medium rare. This is the butt end piece, which still is pretty dang good. That other one's like butter. I felt that when I stuck the probe in it to check the temperature on it. Medium rare. Oh man. Top that off with a piece of bacon. Maldon sea salt. Melted ghee, whatever it's called. Try one of these poppers. Wow. Jalapeno popper. Jalapeno pepper, cream cheese, and a slice of bacon. Can't never have too much bacon, I don't think. Wow. Gonna fill up tonight, so when I do the Super Bowl party tomorrow, I won't want to eat too much. Have a good one. We'll catch you later.